Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at the MecArmy compass. And this compass comes in a couple of different flavors. You can get like there's like a titanium one that's like 30 bucks, and there's a brass one that's like 20. I think there's another one that's like more expensive. Anyway, it's supposed to be like a little keychain pendant compass. So let's open this thing up and take a look at it. If I can open it up. I'll tell you one thing, it does not like being near my knife, does it? Alright. So let's take a look at this little thing. Kind of neat looking. It feels really okay. It's really solid feeling for sure. Feels very solid, and it comes with a little chain thingy if you want. So you could have it on a chain, or man, I'll tell you what. As substantial as this particular compass feels, this chain does not feel substantial. Oops. Yep. Does the metal mess with it too? Okay, it doesn't seem like that is. So one other thing that I want to check out is this thing is supposed to glow in the dark. So let's see how luminescent it looks. Can y'all see that? All glowing in there? That is not working out, is it? Let's try again. Let's see if we can get all super lit up. Can you see it now? That just isn't working. I feel like lighting is working against me in this one. It kind of looks like it glows. Anyway, I don't know. If you're looking for a random kind of keychain thing, sort of neat. I don't know if I want to trust my survival to it, but it's kind of interesting. It feels substantial. I don't know if you can see it when it's moving around. It makes me wonder what's in the top of what's in my top desk drawer. I wonder if I've got some kind of like magnetized screwdriver or something into this messing with the compass. Anyway, something to think about. I don't know. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check this out. It's kind of interesting. It's kind of a cool little thing, but I just don't know. I don't know how I feel about it. What do y'all think? Do you carry a compass as part of your EDC? I do not. But I also, well, I live in a city, so I don't know. What do you think? If you have any questions or suggestions or whatever, let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, such as it was, looking at a little compass, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.